Hello everyone, welcome back to Juby's Homely Food. Leftover dosa batter at home. Don't waste it. Let's turn it into crispy, soft paniyaram in minutes. It's delicious and simple recipe with simple ingredients. Ingredients of this recipe are mentioned in the description. Check out. Let's start the batter preparation. Take your leftover dosa batter or idli batter. Add 1 cup Suji Rava, to adjust the consistency, add water. Mix well. Let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes. Now let us prepare the veggies required for this paniyaram. Here I am taking 2 carrots, 3 green chilies and 1 onion. Peel the carrots. Wash them well. Green chilies. Add green chilies for little spicy kick. Adjust based on your taste. Adding onions adds perfect crunch and slightly sweetness. This makes it every bite so satisfying. Chop them finely. Now carrots. Here I'm cutting the carrots into small pieces. You can grate them or cut as shown in the video. Carrot not only gives nice color but also add natural sweetness and rich in vitamin A. Good for your eyes. Tell me in the comments, do you like your paniyaram spicy or mild? Now add all the chopped veggies into the batter. Added suji in the batter gets thick, so I'm adding a little more water to make the consistency little loose. Add 1 tablespoon of salt. Mix well. Now let us prepare for the tadka. In a small pan, heat some ghee. Add mustard seeds. Let them split up. Add curry leaves, jeera, and pinch of hing. Then add little haldi or turmeric, chilli powder for extra flavor. Now let us prepare the paniyarams. The batter is ready. Let us cook them. Pour the aromatic tempting batter mix well by adding baking soda to make it fluffy. This part is optional. Heat the paniyaram pan. Don't worry if you don't have a paniyaram pan. You can deep fry in a vessel. Grease it with oil. Cook them in medium flame. Let it turn brown in one side, then flip. Cook both sides until crispy outside and soft inside. It takes 5 minutes to cook. This paniyaram are not only just tasty. This is a great way to use leftover batter and unique recipe. Simple ingredients. Reduce the wastage of leftover batter and also nutritious by the veggies added into it. Perfect for breakfast, evening snacks, or even a lunchbox recipes for children's. Crispy outside, soft inside, and full of flavors. Try this easy paniyaram recipe and let me know how it turned out. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Juby's Homely Food for more simple homely recipes. Thanks for watching. Bye.